I would have stayed stupid if I didn't meet you.
Stay what?
I would have stayed stupid for the rest of my life.
Stay. Why would you want to stay?
All I offer is the truth.
Do they come apart? They come from? That's how they come.
You're an attorney, ain't you?
Very good. Nice. He's a mayor. He's a former mayor. He's the big guy. He goes and he knows he's playing a thing. When he's upset, disappointed, loses, he gets drummed out of here. What? That's right. Cushman and Wakefield. I don't know how to say that. Cushman and Wakefield. I learned how to say that. Mm-hmm.
Whether it be Lee County.
I agree. I agree.
Stop taking us. It's obnoxious.
Countries where you have, like Germany or Italy or France, where you have 5 or whatever.
Because they're going to come out with a thing. The thing, right?
What?
Everyone's in their underoos. I call it that.
Yeah.
The money's already run out with you guys, ain't it, right? Where you guys go. It's depressing. It's like Kmart. You get a little depressed. The CIA dead bedroom. That's what I call it. Look, she has a direct line of sight to that police car over there. Right, but oh, that's the perfect look you said. Like,
Oh, look at that.
yeah, it's good. That's perfect, man. Oh, that cologne. Was that you with a cologne, or did you just spray something? I just smell cologne. What does that mean?
I think that's you, whatever you're wearing.
No, it's got to mean something. Hey, you could walk by me with cologne, and then an hour later a dog will find me. That's one of the things. Yeah. So whoever's in this room, like an hour later.
But essentially, I mean, that maybe that's something we can, like, say we'll revisit for sure.
Let's see my 6. There he is, so cool. This guy's so cool. Who's that, him? I'm looking for you. Oh, maybe you are looking for him. You guys looking for him? Is he? Ooh, yeah. Well, he knows I'm looking for him. There's tent and the air conditioning. It just pops open and it's like 1,001 Arabian Nights.